back to my channel. Today I'm doing in episode 2 of the summer top, and I know I promised you guys I will do more, but I really couldn't find that much time and I was busy into doing something else. Sometime the kurta came and then the night suit. I know you guys, you wanted the plazo pant and kurta video, some gowns, gown tutorials, and I am trying my level best, guys, so do stay tuned for those. I have accumulated all the ideas and I've drafted everything and I will do the video, so just you have to be patient with me. So yeah, so today's video is all about this summer top, and it's also called as Kaftan top. There are many tutorials for Kaftan top, dresses, even kurtis, so this is not my original idea, if just in case you're wondering. For this Kaftan top I used a dupatta. It's a cotton dupatta. You can use georgette, chiffon, cotton, and even any other kind of material that you want to use. You can even use leftover fabric for this top because it's super duper easy. There are not much stitching here, there is not much cutting here, so it's just a simple top, simple easy tutorials. So without any further ado, let's get started.
For this I'm taking this bright dupatta as it is super summery. So first fold it into half from its length and not from the width, like so. My inspiration for this top came from this top that I saw at romvi.com. So take your measuring tape and measure how long the width of the dupatta is and divide it in half, and then mark its midpoint. Then add 4-inch marks on both sides of the midpoint. You can reduce it to your preference or increase it. It's basically just the width of the neckline of the top. Then from the midpoint, mark the depth of your neckline. Here I took about 6 inches and then join that point with the 2 points we marked earlier for the width of the neck with a straight line. Now you can totally change the neckline as well according to your preference. You can go for round neck, even a boat neck, whatever you prefer, and cut it out. Now take your existing t-shirt, which should be of your size, and then place it over the dupatta, matching the neckline of the shirt with the dupatta one, and mark the side seams of the t-shirt starting from the armhole and leaving 2-inch extra as I'm doing here. Then measure how long you want your top to be and mark it on the dupatta from the neckline down like I'm doing here. I took about 25 inches total including the hemming part, drew a straight line at the bottom and cut it out. Now mark 3-inch points from the bottom of the top on the side seam markings on the dupatta like so. Do it on both the side seams. Now stitch the 2 layers of the dupatta together starting from the armhole ending to the 3-inch mark we did on both the sides. And now make sure that when you stitch it, the dupatta is laying right side out. Now simply hem the neckline. Now you can do the simple hemming, that is double folding, or you can take a strap of leftover dupatta and use it to finish the neckline like this. Now in my case I used a black fabric piece to do the neckline finish instead of using the dupatta leftover. Then finally hem the bottom layer of the top by double folding it inside. Okay guys, so this is the machine I use. As you guys keep on asking which machine I use, so that's why I'm showing it to you guys right now. And also finishing the top, and then I added pom-pom lace on the sleeve, which is totally optional, and you're done.
So that was it for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it. It was super easy, right? And it creates such a nice flowy top. This humid weather is killing everyone, seriously, like all the sweaty and stuff, and you can't really wear tight clothes. So that's why I created this loose top, which it looks super cute, and you can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with shorts, you can even wear it with, you know, plazos, and they will look super duper good, I promise you guys. So yeah, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel because that would mean a lot to me. And thank you so much guys for 250k. I congratulate all of you for becoming a family of 250k, and I'm so happy with the 250k subscriber milestone. It's all because of you guys. I really appreciate all the love and all the support you're giving me. And yeah, also don't forget to turn on that notification bell button because you don't want to miss any videos that I'm gonna do next, because they're gonna be super bomb. So today's feature goes out to Ravina, Gayatri and Anvesha. I hope I'm pronouncing your names right, and thank you so much guys for your lovely comment. So if you also want to get featured in my next DIY video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell button so that I know that you're gonna watch my video. And comment down below what's your favorite ice cream flavor. Mine is chocolate and mango right now. Usually it's chocolate choco chips one and mango just this season. That's because, you know, mango Alfonso one is so damn good, seriously. So comment down below which is your favorite, and I would love to know that. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.